Hello guys, in this video I would love to say thank you very much to Taj Mahal restaurant for using the series of pasting or installing 3D foam wallpapers. Okay, now welcome to my channel, Decor. Let's see the wall together. It look very dirty and look very ugly, so that we need to install or paste the 3D foam wallpaper. But before pasting or installing the 3D foam wallpaper, we need to clean up the wall first. Okay, and then we cut something around the 3D foam wallpaper and put or stick it or paste it on the wall that look very dirty. Okay, now let's see the wall together after pasting or after installing the 3D foam wallpaper. It looks very nice after pasting or installing the 3D foam wallpaper. Okay, now I would love to say thank you very much to Taj Mahal restaurant for using the service of pasting or installing 3D foam wallpaper. I would love to say thank you very much to that restaurant. Okay, that restaurant is in Phnom Penh. Okay, thank you very much, and I hope that you enjoy my video. If you need 3D foam wallpaper sticker or oil-proof wallpaper, you can contact me, or everybody can contact me through the telegrams, my telephone number, or our Facebook page. Its name is Decor, or everyone can come to my shop. It is in Phnom Penh. Okay, now I would love to say thank you very much for everybody for spending time to watch my video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more video. Thank you very much. See you next videos.